Hi friends, welcome to your some tech world. Today we are going to see how to run uh, Android app on a virtual device like Emulator. So by the way, what is Emulator? So Emulator is nothing but a virtual device, like a phone, you can see it on emulator itself. So you can be having you can you can have different types of emulators with a different screen size, 5 inches or 5.5 or 6 inches like that, or 4 inches. So like that, in different phones, how it will appear, the same effect can be viewed in the emulator. So that is the purpose of emulator. So now I will demonstrate to you how to run your app on emulator, so that you can easily understand that. So it is a small application. So I just run this. First I have to set the emulator here. So if you click the app here, means edit configuration. So here you can select the emulator as open, select deployment target dialog, and apply, and then OK. So after that, you can also see that in AVD manager here. So here you can see that virtual device name Nexus. So here I have chosen Nexus as the emulator. So you can choose any of the virtual device. So here I have chosen Nexus. You can change it by clicking the change button, and you can have any of these sizes, here pixel XL is edited as 5.5 inches, and the screen size 1440 and 2560. And similarly for a 4 inch also, you can access 4 inches, 480 into 800. And similarly you can have 4.7 inches, like that. You can choose here and click OK, so that you can view the same effect in this virtual device. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is you have to click the graphics, that is a software GLES 1.1. So you have to select this graphics and click finish, and now you can run this device by clicking this run button, and it will take some time to actually load. So actually it depends upon your RAM speed in your system. So it should be minimum. If it is 8 GB RAM, means it will be quite fast, or otherwise it will be very slow to display the first screen itself in this emulator. So let us wait for a minute, and we can see the different option here. You can see that shutdown option here, and audio option, and orientation, rotate left, rotate right, volume down, volume up, like that. And you can also take a screenshot here, and also you can have a zoom mode. So after an application is being loaded in this virtual device, you can zoom this application, because sometimes you will feel that it is very small in size. So that you can adjust by clicking this zoom mode, and also like a back button, whatever you will see in your phone, ordinary phone, the same thing you can see here also, and home button, and then overview button. So all these things, the same menus which will be appearing in your app, in your mobile phone, the same will be reflected here also. I think my it is running for first time, so it takes much time to load the app actually. So because it has to compile all the code, and the Gradle should be finished, Gradle compilation, Gradle sync should be finished, and then it will launch the app. So I think it is running slow. So, so since it is first time, it takes so much of time to load. So probably you can have the 8 GB RAM in your system or a lap, so that it will be quick. So now you can see that Android is starting. So it is starting all the apps here. So it also takes much time, and we have to wait and see. I think it will load within a minute. So this is a problem for all the type of Android studios. So probably they will be fixing this issue for taking that so much time to load. And so here what I have doing is I'm just displaying on app lock like that. So so now it is finally it is a loader actually, and you can view the app here, and if you click this menu button, so all the app related things will be coming here, and you can see the same phone effect here in virtual devices, the same all the functions also you can do here. So it takes so much of time. So finally let us wait for a minute. Yeah, it is loaded actually here, and I can see my first this is my first app. So you can see the app here, just some apple app lock like this, 2 3 4 like that. So now you can see this you can see the same app in virtual device, whatever you are seeing in the your real devices, the same thing you can visualize in this emulator. Okay, so so that's all about this running your app on virtual devices. Okay, thank you.